Hi, in this lecture I am going to explain what are different dependencies required for Android app automation and how to add those dependencies in pom.xml file. So open pom.xml file which resides in the project folder. By default the pom is generated like this. So in this file you have to add dependencies that are required for Android app automation. So we have to add all the dependencies inside this dependency tag. Required dependencies are Java client, Selenium Java, Selenium server, TestNG, extend reports, log4j, and Surefire API. So these are the frequently used dependencies for Android app automation. So in future you may add other dependencies like Apache POI. So to download the dependencies, so first open the browser and search with the MVN repository. Open the first link mvnrepository.com and search with all dependencies. So first one, Selenium Java. So click on Selenium Java from search results. Click on stable version of Selenium. So this is the latest and stable version of Selenium. 3.141.59 is the latest and stable version. So Selenium 4 is under beta. So it would be better to download this dependency 3.141.59. Now copy this dependency and place this dependency in pom.xml file inside dependency tag. Similarly, search with Selenium server. Select Selenium server. Copy the same version and then copy this dependency and place this dependency in pom.xml file. And third one, Java client. So io.appm Java client. So this is the latest version. So it would be better to download latest version. Yeah, simply copy this dependency, place inside dependency tag in pom.xml file. And fourth one, TestNG. As we are going to use TestNG framework, we need to copy TestNG dependency. So it would be better to copy 6.10 as it is a stable one. Next, extend reports. So com.event stack extend reports. Copy latest version 4.0.9. This is the stable one, I think. So there are 10 members, 10 usages. Copy this dependency and place in pom.xml file and log4j. Log4j can be used to write the log files. Log4j, the latest version. Take the latest dependency and place it inside dependencies tag in pom.xml file, and last one Surefire API. This is the stable one, 2.19.1. Copy this dependency, place it in pom.xml file. Now format the pom.xml file, save it. Now automatically all the jar files specified in the pom.xml file will get downloaded into local repository. So that is, jar files for specified dependencies in pom.xml file will get downloaded from mvnrepository.com site into local repository. So here, after clicking save button, started downloading all the jar files. Yeah, it takes 5 to 7 minutes to download all the jar files. Yeah, all the jar files for specified dependencies will got downloaded into local repository. So that local repository is .m2 folder in your system. So see users, your username .m2 folder is the local repository. So in this repository folder, so these are all the different packages. So let's see, org.testng. So org testng, and we have placed the 6.10 version in our pom.xml file. So this is the jar file which got downloaded from MVN repository. Similarly, all the jar files specified in pom.xml file will get downloaded into this local repository. So by default, your project will consider those jar files from local repository. This is how we can add dependencies in pom.xml file from MVN repository. Thank you.